Good morning students, welcome back. Myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9 mathematics, and today's topic is lines and angles. Okay, from the previous session we have already learned about the chapter number 6 lines and angles, and from the exercise 6.2. Okay, so from the exercise 6.2 we have already done question number 1 from that. Okay, so also we have to learn about the in the previous session, that is about the parallel lines and their transversal, and with the, some kind of the angles that are formed by the parallel lines. That are almost three kinds of the angles they are formed. First of all, one of them, that is corresponding angles, okay, that are must be equal. Okay, second one, that is alternate angles, they are also must be equal. And third one, that is pair of co-interior angles. Okay, pair of co-interior angles are also supplementary. Okay, pair of co-interior angles that are also supplementary, that means they forms 180 degree. Some of their angles are equal to the 180 degree, that's why we have to call them supplementary. Okay, so these three kinds of the angles we have to see in the previous session with the some basic concept. Okay, so now in today's session we are also move for the question number 2 from the exercise 6.2. okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Okay, so standard 9, and we are learning about the lines and angles. Okay, lines and angles. So from the exercise, from exercise 6.2 question number 2. Okay, from exercise 6.2 question number 2, in the given figure, if AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, and y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, find x. Okay, so that are given parallel lines, three parallel lines. Okay, and one of the transversal are given from the figure. Okay, clear? So here AB, CD and EF, these three parallel lines are AB, second one is CD, and the third one is EF. Okay, and transversal that are not given the name of the transversal, therefore we have to give them M and N. They are not given, so therefore we are given them as a name. And here intersecting point are not also given, naming of the intersecting point are also not given, so we have to give any kind of the name. Okay, so here I'll give the O, P and Q. Name of this intersecting point are O, P and Q. Okay, now that are given, that is X, Y and Z. Here is the angle X, here is the angle Y, and here is the angle Z. Okay, here is the angle Z. Okay, so now from the question we have to write, first of all, given what is given, that is AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Okay, all of three lines are parallel to each other, and MN is a transversal. Okay, now second things that is given is y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Now we have to find to find angle x. Okay, we have to find the x or angle x. Okay, now we have to solve them. So for that we have to write as a that solution. For the solution, okay, now I'll write the solution. That is, first of all, AB parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. All of three lines are parallel to each other. Now first of all I'll take AB parallel to EF. Only one pair of the parallel lines. AB parallel to EF and MN as transversal we have to take. Okay. Okay. Now we have to go for that. Now only see the AB and EF. Okay. Now only see the AB and EF, not to CD. Okay. So when I remove this CD, my figure formed like this. Okay. This figure is a temporary figure, so please not to draw. Okay. Here is my M, here is my N, and AB is parallel to EF. Okay. Middlemost line, that is ED also. Okay. Oh sorry, that is CD. CD, that I'll remove that from the figure. So my figure formed like this, that I'll write AB parallel to EF and MN is a transversal. Okay, here is my intersecting point O and here is my intersecting point is Q. Now here my angle X is given and here my angle Z is given. Okay, so what kind of they form? Angle X and angle Z, what kind of the pair they form? They form alternate angles. Okay, they form pair of alternate angles. Okay, so that's why from this figure, okay, I'll write that is angle X, therefore angle X is equal to angle Z because of the pair of alternate angles. Okay, so therefore we know that angle Z is equal to angle X. Okay, but Y is to Z is equal to 3:7 that are given. So therefore angle X is equal to value of Z. Okay, here is the value of Z, which is the which most value of angle is Z is given, that is 7. 3:7. Okay, that are in the also ratio. From the ratio we have to take from the ratio. Therefore value of Z is equal to, I'll write that value of Z from here. Value of Z, that is 7, any particular constant variable I'll take, that is any one of them, but not defined in this figure. That variable that are not defined in this figure, that kind of the variable that you have to take as a constant. So I'll take constant variable, that is PQRST UVW PQR, we have to take R. Okay, so we have to take Z as a 7R. So value of Z, that is 7R. So therefore my value of X is also as a 7R because X and Z are equal. Okay, now we have to take AB parallel to CD. Now remove EF. Now in the second step, remove line EF. So when I remove EF and take only AB parallel to CD and MN as transversal, okay, so therefore we have to see that angle angle X and angle Y, okay, angle X and angle Y are in the same direction and make a co-interior angle, okay, are in the same direction and make a co-interior angle, pair of co-interior angle. So therefore angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 because of the pair of co-interior angles. Okay, co-interior angles, that means that are in the interior part of the parallel lines and in the same side. Okay, interior part of the parallel lines and with the same side, that's our co-interior angle. Alternate angles, that means interior part of the angles and they make a in cross section. Okay, they make a cross section. Okay, and alternate angles are equal but co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, now angle X, that are 7R plus angle Y, that is 3R. Okay, angle Y is, that is 3R, is equal to 180. Therefore 7 plus 3 10R equal to 180. Therefore value of constant R is equal to, that is 180 by 10, that is 18 degree. Okay, now we have to find the angle X. Which angle we have to find? I have to find the angle X, that is angle X is equal to 7R. So I'll write angle X is equal to 7 into R, that is 18. So 18 7s are 7 8s are 56, 5 7 plus 5 12, 126. Okay, so my angle X is equal to 7 into 18, that is 126 degree. Okay, my angle X is equal to the 126 degree. Okay, clear? Now you have to write down. Now you have to note down this question. Okay, clear? Now we have to for the question number 3. Okay, question number 3, that are given in the figure. In figure, if AB parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and GED is equal to 126 degree, find angle AGE, GEF and FGE. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the figure that identify which kind of the angle they have to given. Okay, so figure is given like, okay, this. Here is A, here is B, C and D. Okay, AB parallel to CD and FEG. FEG are the triangle. Okay, from the figure that are given, so I will write the given, that is AB is parallel to CD is given. Second thing, FE is perpendicular to CD. FE is perpendicular to CD, and third one given, that is angle FGED. Sorry, F not F, GED. This whole angle is given. Angle GED is given equal to 126 degree. Okay, this whole angle are given, that is equal to 126 degree. Okay, and you have to find the angle AGE. So I'll write it into the, to find angle AGE. Second thing, that is GEF, angle GEF, and the third thing, that is angle FGE. Okay, so let's start. That is from the, to find these three angles. Okay, first of all I'll note down that which kind of the angles we want. AGE, here is the AGE, we want this angle. Okay, second GEF, GEF, this particular angle, this part of angle. Okay, and FGE, FGE, that is this part of angle. Okay, these three angles we have to find. Okay, so let's start. So first of all I'll write that if AB and CD are parallel and GE is a perpendicular, AB is parallel to CD and FE is perpendicular to CD, therefore which angle you have to form 90 degree, that is FED, angle FED form 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay, from the 90 degree right angle, okay, here we have to see that angle GED, angle GED whole angle are divided into two parts. First of them GEF and second is FED. Okay, so therefore GED, angle GED is equal to angle GED. I'll show that angle GED, this angle, okay, are divided into the two parts. One of them, that is GEF. Okay, one of them GEF. Okay, this part, and second one GED, that are given 90 degree. Okay, so I'll write that angle GEF plus angle FED. Okay, angle GED whole angle are divided into the two parts. First of one, that is GEF, and second one is GED, sorry, FED. Okay, if you want then I'll draw separate figure for that here, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, is the whole angle, this whole angle are divided into the two part, one of this part and second one is this part. Okay, whole angle are divided into the two part, one first is and the second is this. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the calculation part. GED is given, that is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so I'll write 126 equal to, we have to find GEF. Okay, we have to find GEF, so I'll write GEF as it is, plus FED, that is given, that we have to take FED equal to 90 degree. Okay, that are given. Okay, now we have to calculate that. 90 shifted to second side, that is subtract with the 126, therefore angle GEF is equal to 126 minus 90, that is 126 degree minus 90 degree, that is 6 minus 0, that is 6, 12 minus 9, that is 3, 36 degree. Okay, that is 36 degree. Here my this angle is equal to the 36 degree. Okay, clear? Now we have to remain these two angles. Okay, for the AGE, okay, for the AGE we have to find the AGE, this angle. Okay, for that we have to take AB parallel to CD and take GE as a transversal. So what kind of the figure they form? Here is my AB and here is my CD. Okay, so they form like this kind of the figure here, G and E. So my GED is GED is equal to 126 degree, that are also given. Okay, but I want to find angle AGE, this angle. Okay, so if we have to take AB parallel to CD and GE as a transversal, therefore angle AGE, this angle is equal to angle GED 126 degree. Okay, because of they formed cross section part, that means they have to form alternate angles. Okay, so therefore we have to write, angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Okay, pair of alternate angles. Okay, so therefore angle AGE is equal to, what is the angle of GED? That is GED is also given 126. So my AGE is also 126 degree. Okay, clear? Clear? Now we have to find the angle. This angle is also completed, this also completed. Now we have to find remaining FGE, this angle. Here these two angles forms linear pair. This angle and this angle forms linear pair whole. Okay, so that's why we have to take, I know that AGE is 126, so after that we have to find this angle using linear pair, to use linear pair of angle, to take linear pair of angle. Therefore angle AGE plus angle FGE. Okay, FGE is equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair of angles. Okay, that make 180 degree. Okay, that makes 180 degree here. Okay, so therefore we have to take AGE plus FGE is equal to 180 degree. AGE is given, we have to find, that is 126 plus FGE is equal to 180 degree. So FGE is equal to 180 minus 126. Okay, therefore angle FGE is equal to 0 minus 6, that is 4, 17 minus 12, that is 5. FGE is 54 degree. Okay, clear? Now you have to note down this question. All of the questions that are given in your textbook, that all of them are used linear pair of angles, supplementary angles, complementary angles, okay, alternate angles, corresponding angles, parallel line, transversal line. Okay, all of that questions are related to all these concepts. Okay, so first of all you have to must to understand that where is the alternate angles are formed, where is the co-interior angles are formed, where is the corresponding angles are formed. Okay, clear? So please first of all note down this, and after we have to move for the question number 4. Okay. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the question number 4. Okay. Now question number 4. In the given figure, if PQ is parallel to ST and PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree, find QRS. Okay, so question 4 figure is given. So now we have to first of all draw the figure. Okay, this kind of the figure is given. So PQR that is given 110 degree, and the second thing is they were given RST is 130 degree. Okay, and PQ is parallel to ST. So we have to write in given, that is PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 and angle RST or TSR, any one of them you have to write. I'll write TSR is equal to 130 degree. Okay, here we have to find which angle we have to find, QRS. Okay, so angle QRS, that is QRS, this one of the angle we have to find. Okay, so solution. Okay, so first of all, to start the solution, I'll draw the remaining part of the figure, that is this line, both of line are parallel to each other. Okay, okay, and we also draw the one of the extra line that are parallel to the both of these, and I'll write them that name as a M and N. Okay, so I'll write first of all construct MN parallel to PQ parallel to ST. Okay, construct MN that is parallel to PQ1, that are this line, and parallel to ST1, that are for this line. Okay, parallel to all these three lines. Okay, all of these three lines are parallel to each other. First of all, we have to remove this PQ, middle of the line, and we have to take only ST and MN. Now ST is parallel to MN and SR is a transversal, and take SR as a transversal. So figure is like this kind of the figure are formed, that is, here is my here is my S and T, okay, and this line are given as R, and this is my M and N, okay. Now line ST and MN are parallel to each other, and SR is one of the transversal. Therefore here the 130 degree is formed. So we have to first of all find this angle, okay. Here these two angles are formed cointerior angles because they formed in the between the two parallel line and with the same side of the side, okay, with the same side. So we have to write TSR plus NRS or SRN, any one of them you have to write. TSR plus SRN total form 180 degree, that are co-interior angles, okay. So we have to write that therefore angle TSR plus angle SRN is equal to 180 degree pair of co-interior angles. Okay, pair of co-interior angles. Therefore now TSR, this angle and this angle, total 180 degree. TSR is given 130 plus SRN equal to 180. Therefore angle SRN equal to 180 minus 130, okay, that is 50 degree. Okay, so this angle is equal to my 50 degree, this part of the angle, okay, this part of the angle is equal to the 50 degree. Now we have to find this angle also. Now we have to take PQ parallel to MN. Take PQ parallel to MN and as QR as a transversal. Okay, so now we have to remove ST part of the parallel lines. ST we have to remove this part, okay, from the question. So which kind of the figure is formed? Like figure is formed like this, that is here is the P and here is the Q and MN and QR, okay. So here is my angle 110 is given. So here is my one of the angle we have to find QRN. We can find this QRN angle, whole angle, okay. This QRN is equal to this PQR, alternate angles, okay, because they are formed from the interior part and formed cross section part, okay. So they are the alternate angles, okay. Here I'll remove this part, this line first, okay. Now you can see, okay, clear, done, okay. Now we have to write angle PQR plus angle QRN, whole angle QRN is equal to, both are equal angles, sorry, both are the equal angles, pair of alternate angles. Now PQR is equal to 110, but QRN, this part is divided in the two angles, one of them this and second one is 50 degree, that we have to find. Second one is this angle and one of them is this angle, okay, that are divided into the two angles, okay. So one of them is QRS plus second one is SRN. So therefore 110 equal to QRN plus SRN, that are SRN, that is 50 degree. So therefore 110 minus 50 degree is equal to QRN. Therefore 110 minus 50, that is 60 degree, is equal to QRN. Okay, so my angle, that is QRN, this angle is equal to 60 degree. We have to find this middle angle. Okay, that is 60 degree. Okay, clear? Please note down this fast. Student, I hope you have to enjoy this class very much, and if you have any doubt, please notify me. Okay, so remaining question number 4 and 5 we have to solve in the next session. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.